Best deals.
1. Electric rice cooker. Intelligently convenient, designed to cook good meal that is both tasty and healthy for your loved ones as just a few buttons away. Features an energy-saving smart algorithm that automatically detects the grain type and internal temperature and automatic keep warm mode, effectively taking the guesswork out of perfectly cooked rice. Featuring a non-stick inner pot with superior coating, detachable inner lid and excess water drainage tray. For best tasting rice and hygiene, occasionally remove detachable lid and clean it. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dish drainer. Made using high quality, durable plastic. Equipped with a portable spoon, fork and knife holder. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Can also be used to store not so frequently used utensils, keeping your kitchen clutter-free, clean, and well-equipped. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil sprayer. Fuel injector produces a uniform, pure oil mist. If you use our fuel injectors, you can use less oil when preparing food such as BBQ, grilling, making salad, and baking. It makes the diet healthier and less oily but tastes just as delicious. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. A useful addition to any busy household. Lock and Lock's classic plastic food storage containers come in handy for storing fresh and frozen foods, from healthy snacks like cut-up fruits and vegetables to leftovers or dinners for the week. They also work well for keeping pasta, rice, flour, sugar, crackers, cookies, and other cupboard or pantry items fresh for longer, securely stored, and neatly organized. Even more, the versatile storage containers can be used to transport lunches to and from work or school. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Drawer. Spacious 5-layer storage drawer unit. Organize your essentials easily with this 5-tier modular storage cabinet, ideal for clothes, toys, kitchen items, toiletries, stationery and more. Heavy-duty plastic built for daily use, made from durable, long-lasting plastic, designed to withstand regular use without bending, cracking or fading. Smooth glide drawers for easy access. Each drawer opens effortlessly, making it convenient to store and access everyday items, great for kids, office or home organization. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Basket. Comes with a high-grade stainless steel mesh lid to keep fruits fresh and protected from dust and insects. Elegant and functional design that enhances the look of your dining and center table. Spacious 12-inch size, perfect for storing apples, bananas, oranges, and more. Fine mesh net cover allows airflow while keeping bugs away, ideal for indoor use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric coffee grinder. The sharp blades and durable grinding bowl are built to last, delivering uniform grinds with every use. Stainless steel blades quickly grind your favorite coffee beans, herbs, spices, grains, and more. Intuitive push-button control lets you easily customize the grind consistency, from coarse to fine. No spills, no accidents. The integrated safety mechanism allows the blades to turn on only when the lid is securely locked. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coconut scraper. Easily switch between coconut scraping and citrus juicing with one versatile appliance. Attach the spill tray and your chosen attachment to the Brevine 2-in-1 coconut scraper and citrus juicer, select the speed, and press the soft touch button to kickstart the appliance for swift and effective scraping or juicing. Ensures efficient and powerful operation, making quick work of coconut scraping and citrus juicing tasks. Tailor the speed to your specified needs, whether you are scraping coconut or juicing citrus fruits. Specially designed with rounded teeth edges for efficient and easy coconut scraping. Optimized for maximum juice extraction, making it easier to prepare fresh juices. Keeps your kitchen clean by minimizing mess and collecting byproducts in one place. Offers superior stability on any kitchen surface to prevent slips and spills. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dutch. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. No harmful chemical coatings, 100% toxin-free and food safe. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container are designed with secure lids that help preserve freshness and prevent moisture, making them ideal for storing grains, pulses, spices, dry fruits, snacks, flour, and sugar. Made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sponge wipes. Made from high-quality cotton cellulose that is soft yet durable, providing excellent absorbency and effective cleaning for various surfaces. Ideal for kitchen countertops, dishes, bathroom tiles, and general household cleaning tasks, making it a multi-purpose cleaning solution. Each sponge measures 20 by 18 centimeters, offering ample surface area for efficient cleaning and wiping of larger areas. Comes in a convenient pack of 5 multicolor wipes, ensuring you have enough supply for extended use and different cleaning needs. Designed to withstand multiple washes and repeated use, maintaining its shape and cleaning effectiveness over time. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Containers. This fridge and freezer storage box set includes 300 ml, 600 ml, 1000 ml, 1500 ml, 2000 ml, and 3050 ml containers, perfect for organizing a variety of food items. Featuring airtight lids, these plastic storage boxes prevent spills and lock in moisture, keeping vegetables, fruits, and leftovers fresh longer. These refrigerator storage containers help you maximize fridge and pantry space, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Designed for freezer storage without cracking, plus easy-to-clean plastic storage containers that are dishwasher-friendly for hassle-free maintenance. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Curd maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strained smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Constructed from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, the strainer is rust-resistant and built to last, ensuring safe, hygienic food preparation every time. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the process. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Frying pan. Perfect for searing, stir-frying, cutlets, or omelets. This pan withstands high heat without damage. Its corrosion-resistant and low-porosity finish means it uses less oil and is less likely to rust. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural taste without unwanted reactions. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Shelves. Can be used to organize spice shampoo, shower gel, lotion, soap, razor, spice bottles, sauce, and other kitchen and bathroom accessories. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. Works perfectly in smooth, clean and dry ceramic tile, glass, fiberglass, mirror, granite, metal, acrylic, laminate surface. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Soap dispenser. With attached caddy holds sponges, scrubbers, rags, scouring pads in one convenient place while keeping water off kitchen counters. No more messy spills, dripping, or trailing. Dispense the perfect amount of soap onto the sponge every time. Can help reduce wasted soap as you can always use a considered amount. Works with all kinds of liquid soaps. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Jug. 1800 ml jug seamlessly combines functionality with style, making it an ideal addition to any setting. This exquisitely crafted jug for water or juice enhances the aesthetic of your dining table. With a generous 1800 ml capacity, our water jugs are perfect for serving larger gatherings. Whether used as a juice jug or a water jug, it provides ample serving space for any occasion. Whether you need a juice jug for family brunch or water jugs for dining table settings, its multipurpose nature suits all needs. Constructed from premium materials, a jug ensures long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Storage bag. Spacious transparent storage bag ideal for storing saris, blankets, quilts, comforters, winter clothes, bed sheets, pillows, toys, and seasonal garments while keeping your wardrobe neat and organized. Opening the bag. Perfect is a transparent clothes storage bag and sari cover for quick access and hassle-free organization. Suitable for wardrobe organization, sari storage, blanket storage, quilt storage, comforter storage, toy storage, and travel. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Brush. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. With its adjustable iron pole, ranging from 50.8 inches to 65.3 inches, this 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric chopper. Twin blade technology, detachable double-layer stainless steel system provides quick and efficient chopping and dicing operation. Be it coarse, medium or fine, the chopper does it all. Frequency 50 Hz has a stainless steel finish in front which enhances the look of the appliance. Easy press down button and anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation. Chop in one go, no extra buttons or switches. The bowl of Inalsa Bullet is dishwasher safe, extra durable and provides visibility to chopping levels, with 0.9 L total capacity, 0.5 L processing capacity. Bowl, chop veggies, dice fruits, prepare salad and create bread crumbs. Long-lasting and hassle-free use, this appliance takes care of your chopping needs. Multi-splash guard bowl lid is used as a cover of processing bowl after chopping. One-touch operation for effortless chopping, helping you save time for meal preparation. Detachable components and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning easy so that you can enjoy your meal more. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Coffee maker. With the help of water level markings on our glass carafe, brew your coffee to perfection in less than 4 minutes. Now creating the perfect cup of coffee is not an art anymore. French press coffee pot is fitted with a 4-part superior filtration system and ensures little to no grinds in your brew. Coffee plunger is made from premium grade 18/8 stainless steel and extra tough borosilicate glass carafe that does not break easily. Coffee press has that classic coffee maker appeal, with highly polished stainless steel accents making it a beautiful gift for any coffee lover. This French press comes with water level markings on its glass carafe. These measurement markings will help you to use exact amounts of water and coffee powder to get your perfect brew each time. 4-part filtration system allows for a smooth coffee press mechanism and helps you to brew a perfect cup of coffee in just 4 minutes. You will be amazed at how easy it is to make a great cup of coffee using our coffee plunger. Just a gentle press is enough for this filter to work its magic. This coffee plunger comes with AV spout and it offers the following benefits. It helps you to pour your coffee effortlessly. It prevents your coffee from spilling while you pour. This coffee maker has a very easy to grip handle and helps you to use this French press effortlessly. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. Made from premium stainless steel for enhanced durability and rust resistance. See-through lid provides a clear view of the container's contents. Airtight seal preserves freshness by preventing moisture and air exposure. 2.8 liters capacity, perfect for storing dry items such as grains, snacks, spices, and more. Compact design fits neatly in kitchen cabinets, pantries, or on countertops. Suitable for kitchens, cafes, offices, and restaurants. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Puttu maker. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Best in even heating and heat retention. Consumes less oil. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Chopping board. Is made from a softer grade of steel that is designed to be gentle on your knives, ensuring that they remain sharp and effective, and is built to withstand heavy-duty use, making steel cutting board a reliable addition to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Bottle cleaner brush set. Measures 15 inches and non-scratch and odorless nylon bristle easily removes stubborn stains from your bottles, carafes, travel mugs, containers etc. Its sturdy construction makes tough cleaning tasks a breeze. With the non-slip rubber grip of this bottle scrub brush, you can clean your bottles with ease and comfort. With this complete set of cleaning tools, you'll have everything you need to keep your drinkware sparkling clean and ready to use. Water bottle cleaning set includes a long bottle brush, straw brush and detail cleaner with detachable organizer ring and storage hook. To provide a thorough clean for any of your drinking buddies, all three brushes have long-lasting nylon bristles that won't lose their shape and soft, comfortable, non-slip handles, store together on a handy ring and easily snap off for use. Triple swivel hook is self-sticking and keeps your water bottle brush set handy in your home organized. The handle of the water bottle cleaning brush has a hanging hole design, which can be hung and stored when it is not needed for easy storage. The two devices can be replaced at any time. Product link is given in the 25th link.